Okay, so now we're going to design some components to go in this space so that it looks like a well laid out page. So we're going to have a CSS box here that's going to be 300 by 400 wide, and then over here we will have a picture, a map which is 600 pixels wide by 400 high. So we'll go back over to Dreamweaver now and have a go at some CSS. So our first thing we need to do is we need to make a new CSS rule, and we need to tell it to be in a new style sheet. And the rule we're going to make is going to be called image. This is going to be how we format some of these images. So I click on OK. The first thing it says, you want to make a new sheet, so you save it. You only need one CSS file for your website. And so you'll see that the CSS comes up over here on the right hand side, and we're simply going to choose box and float to the right, and we're going to apply a little bit of margin of 5 pixels all around the edge of the image. Click on apply and OK, and you'll now see up here you've got a CSS file. If you click on that, you'll see how that actually looks as the CSS code. I'm going to come back to the design now. I'm now going to make a new piece of CSS, another rule, and this one I'm going to define. I'm going to call it box. I'm going to now add it into this same sheet, the CSS sheet that's at the top here. I click on OK, and now I'm going to put in the details for the box. So I'm going to say that anything in this box will be Verdanda, Geneva, or another sans serif font. It's going to be 14 pixels, and the color is going to be #333. I'm then going to click on the actual box itself and set the box to have a width of 300 and a height of 400, and I'm also going to have a little bit of padding around the box of 5 pixels and a bit of margin, so padding is inside the box, and a bit of margin around outside the box of 5 pixels. The only other things that I need to do is perhaps look at the background color and make the background color a specific color. So this is FF6633, and this should be an orangey type color when I click apply, or there you are, and click on OK. So I'll just check that CSS has gone in OK. Now we have a box. In that box we'll have these fonts, this size of font, that color of font, a background color. This is an orangey color, quite similar to this one, and then we'll have a bit of a margin around the outside and a padding around the inside, and we'll also then have the actual size of the box to be a certain size. So I'm ready to save the template now, and in the next video we'll make a new page, the About Us page, and then we will then add this CSS in.